Okay, I just wanted to show you some resources that will help you complete the homework. So first I want to start with modules in Canvas. And you do have PowerPoint with my PowerPoint lecture for each chapter. I'm going to go down to chapter 2 since we're in chapter 2. So here's the PowerPoint, but you also have the PowerPoint with my lecture. This is not going to help you as much with the homework. It is going to cover the basic concepts and all the vocabulary that statistics has and the formulas. But as far as working the problems, problems where you need Excel or you need StatCrunch, the best place to go is to Chapter 2 video resources. And as we move through chapters like 3, 4, and 5, we will have even more videos. But I have videos for 2.2 and 2.3 here that are videos of me actually working the homework. So I would definitely always look at my chapter video resources, the videos that I made. And then I've started adding another section called Chapter 2 Student Questions and Video Help. I want to show you why I created this. If you go in to your homework and you click on a particular assignment, let's go into, let's do 2.3. So you click on a question and you keep missing the question and you just cannot figure out why you're missing it. You've watched the video and that I've made and you still don't understand it. You've tried all resources, the PowerPoint, and you just can't get the answer. Well, first of all, you can do view an example. And what this will do is it will work an example very similar to the problem you're working, just maybe different numbers. And it will walk you step by step through the problem. Another thing that you can do is you can do the help me solve this, and you can try to work it. Put in an answer. Let me just show you and check answer. Okay. And you can keep doing that, and this is not counting against you because you're doing that in the help me solve this. But if you're still not getting it, you can go into question help and you can click on ask my instructor. And what this allows me to do is get an email. You can put some message down here to let me know what you've done and what you're not understanding, and you can click send. That's going to send me the problem, and I can actually pull up your problem, the actual problem you're working, where you're working at, and I can work it for you. And I can make a video of me working the problem that you're struggling with. What I will do with this video is once I send you a personal link to it, I will go into course modules and I will put it in the student help. See, I've already had 2 questions here that I've worked for students who are using the Ask My Instructor feature. So if you just cannot figure it out and you need additional help, these are the top 2 ways to get help. This allows me to work one-on-one with you, but it also allows other students to use these videos in case they're struggling with the same problem. Let me see if there's anything else. There's study plans, but you really don't have time to work the study plan just because you have so many problems you're working in the homework. The homework takes a lot of time. So I would just stick with those resources. And my videos, students always say those really help. So feel free to reach out to me if you need me to work a problem. Remember the button. I may have closed out of it. Remember, question help is your friend. If you still need help after you've tried everything else, you can click on Ask My Instructor. But don't do this first. Try other things and then reach out to me. And I hope this video will help you understand how to contact me about a problem. This is the easiest way because it sends it directly to my email. You can also text me and let me know that you're going to use the feature.